About to get everything cleaned up and put up for the winter because I'm about to be on the road for a while. So we're going to pressure wash the tractor, the bush hog four wheeler, the lawnmower, and probably do my truck too while we're at it. So let's get started. So now we're going to winterize everything. I've got this stabil fuel stabilizer. Basically, I'm just going to let everything run. I'm going to pour probably about a ½ ounce in this and probably pour an ounce in everything else. But yeah. And now we're going to pull this plug right here and let all the water come out. That way it don't bust the pump. So it's a 1/4 inch Allen. Just gonna remove it. You'll see the water drum out. There won't be much, but it's enough. Lean it back. Make sure it all comes out. Now you can put coolant in it if you want to, if you're leaving it outside, but it's gonna be in the shop building wrapped up in a blanket, so there ain't no need for me to do that. So we'll just put this back in here, snug her up. And she'll be ready when spring rolls around, and gotta get everything out and pressure wash it again. So I'm gonna take the winch off my trailer and put it in the shop building. So unlock her. Then I'll stick everything back in here so it don't get lost. Started in probably 3 or 4 months. Let's see if it'll start. So I've got the oil draining in this and I've got the oil filter off, but here's the oil for it. I got the oil for the other truck and I got a bunch of servicing and stuff to do, so let's get started.